If you want to be a Shopify developer, create a store for your client, or develop a theme or create an app, a Shopify Partners account is a must. You need to go to shopify.com/partners to open a Shopify account. This is like the control panel from where you can control everything. You can test your theme or app, and it's absolutely free. In this video, we will see how to create a partners account on Shopify. You can start by clicking Become a Partner button or Join button. Both of these buttons will take you to the same page. So let's click on Join. On this page, you can see there are multiple options to create an account. I will use Sign Up with Google. So let's click on Sign Up with Google. If you're not signed in to Google, it will take you to this page where you need to sign in. So I will use my email. Enter your password and click on Next. Continue. Here you need to provide some information. You can choose any one of them. So I will select Building Themes for Shopify Theme Store. Click Next and choose your country and region and provide this information. And your partner account is ready. Congratulations, you have opened your Shopify Partners account. On your Shopify Partners account, you will find something similar on your dashboard. There will be a part which called stores. And Shopify gave us a development store called Quick Start. If we see how our store looks, let's click on Login. And this is the dashboard of our Quick Start development store. And if I click on this I button to see my online store, let's close it down, accept, and this is how my store looks. And if I go to online store, test data is the theme, and debut vintage theme and dawn theme is provided. Let's create another development store. To open a development store from our dashboard of Shopify Partners account, if we click on this Add Store button, you can see the option Create Development Store. But this time I will go to the navigation menu, and from here I will click on Stores, and I will add a store from here, Create Development Store. Let's click here. If you are creating a development store for your client, you can select this option, but I'm creating for myself to test and build. So I have selected this option, store name. Let's give it Tech Diversity. You can give it any name, BD. Build version, current release. You can also select developer preview, but if you select developer preview, it is non-transferable. Data and configuration. Start with an empty store. Start with test data. I will select this option and create development store. And you are on the dashboard of our newly built Shopify development store. Let's click on this I button, and you can see our store is ready. By default, Dawn theme is installed, and this is the link, techdiversitybd.myshopify.com. Let's try to install another theme on our store. Click Online Store. Dawn is the current theme, and in the theme library, we also have test data and debug vintage theme. This is the old theme by Shopify, and you can also see popular free themes and Dawn, Spotlight, Refresh, Craft, and Sense all are developed by Shopify. Spotlight, Refresh, Sense, and Craft, these themes are developed based on Dawn. Let's add Refresh on our store. It will take some time to install the theme. Congratulations, Refresh has been installed. Let's publish the theme. Click on Publish. Publish. Let's go to our website and refresh. You can see the outlook of our store has been changed. A quick recap. In step 1, we have seen how to set up Shopify Partners account. Step 2, we have created a development store. And in step 3, we have changed the theme. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.